Unit 15. Listen to the passage and answer the questions from 1 to 4. A tsunami is one of the most dangerous disasters caused by the ocean. It consists of a series of large ocean waves. A tsunami is usually caused by an underwater earthquake or volcanic eruption or landslide. It doesn't happen very often. A tsunami can also be caused by a meteorite falling into the ocean. The waves of tsunami can be as high as 100 feet. Tsunami is a Japanese word, as Japan is an island country and is struck often by tsunamis. Another word used for a tsunami is killer waves. The first wave of a tsunami is weaker than the waves that come afterward. Tsunami waves can cause enormous damage. These waves can destroy boats, buildings, cars, bridges, trees, and almost everything in their way. The most devastating tsunami happened in 2004 in the Indian Ocean. The deadly waves of this tsunami struck 14 countries, and the worst damage was caused in Indonesia.